Hey, what's going on there? All right, I want to show you big commission checks when only a little bit of commission is being offered up from the listing agent. That's right. So have you ever done work as a buyer's agent? Great. How would you like to make 3.5 to 4% or more on every single buyer deal for life? Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay. So again, it's Todd Walters, billion-dollar agent, and this is for you. Let's take a look. Oh. Okay, these folks here, Ira and Stephanie Miskin at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, they're implementing the VIP buyer system. Now, this VIP buyer system uh, allows you to set, negotiate, and collect your fee when working with buyers, and your buyers actually advocate for it. Okay, 3.5% to 4% on every buyer deal, regardless of what the commission is being offered up by the listing agent. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of their deals so that you can see that what I'm talking about is for real. Okay, I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to show you the listing printout. I'm going to show you the settlement statement and how much money is happening. Now, why am I sharing this with you right now? Well, here's why. Okay, you should have gotten an invitation to this income increase workshop. The room only holds 50. I'm going to be there on Thursday. What is this? March 5th at 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. over at New American Funding. There's the address right there. Now, what this is about is just simply that, increasing the amount of money that you make on all of your real estate transactions, increasing it by 300% or more without you giving up any of your personal life to do it. So if you like the idea of getting more business and then leveraging that business to get even more business without going insane, this is for you. As you know, I would routinely sell 500 homes a year right here in Metro Atlanta as a real estate agent, retired from selling real estate at age 39, opting to watch my team run. And in this VIP buyer system, which is part of what you're going to discover at the Income Increase Workshop, was essential ingredient in being able to do that. Again, VIP buyer system. It's exclusive. The buyers love it, and you make 3.5% to 4% on every buyer side. Now, let me demonstrate. Okay, hang on. So before I show you the system, the deal, a little sample of it anyway, right here, Ira and Stephanie were the very first real estate agents at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and copied and implement this VIP buyer system was a contributing factor for them going to $130,000 a year in commissions to $600,000 a year in commissions. There they are in between Dwayne and I, right there. Here they are right here making $73,000 in 1 month. Okay, $73,000 in 1 month. Here they are again making $61,000 in that month. Okay, 1 month. Here they are again making $62,800 in that 1 month. Okay, you like that? Now that you can see that someone making $130,000 all of a sudden goes to $600,000 or more in income within a very short period of time, what in the world are they doing? Well, they're doing the same thing that I did, that you're going to see on Thursday, March 5th, at the Income Increase Workshop. You just got to show up to go up. Let's take a look then at an example. All right now, let's look at it. I'm going to bring that up on the screen for you. Okay, here's a property that Ira, Stephanie Miskin, and their buyer's agent sold. Right there, you can see listed in on St. George Terrace, or Powder Springs, I guess. And you can see the commission that was being offered up right there was 3%. Okay, 3%. You see that? All right, awesome. Now let's look at the settlement statement and see what they actually made. Oh, before we look at that here, you can see the listing agent was Travis Rampley, and it was he was with Atlanta Communities, and he listed that property and put it on the market there, offered up 3% to the buyer's agents. Okay, all right, got it set up now. Let's look at the settlement statement, see what actually happened. Settlement statement. Okay, all right, so let's take a look here. You'll be able to see clearly the commission disbursements. All right, Atlanta Communities listing agent got $5,500, and Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, Ira and Stephanie got $6,600, but that's not all. Okay. They also received an additional $2,000 plus $750. And in case you're wondering what the actual percentage of that is that they got, it says right there, buyer's commission agency fee 1.25%. That's $2,000 right there. And they got another $750 in addition to the commission. Where'd it go? Right there. $6,600. So what's the total percentage they received? I got it calculated out right here for you. That's 4.25%. 4.25% on that listing that was offering up, right there it is, 3% to the buyer's agent. Now you can see how, okay, it makes sense to me. Ira and Stephanie are making more money per transaction than the vast majority of real estate agents that exist. Why? Because they're implementing a system called the VIP buyer system. The same system that I ran in my historic real estate business allowed me to become $1 billion agent that I'm going to share with you in detail at this income increase workshop. Okay, that's coming up on March 5th at 10 a.m. sharp. Now, that's not the only system I'm going to show you, but it is part of the systems we're going to look at. Okay, so we're going to walk through all day long, 6 boxes, and the VIP buyer system is one of the boxes. Look, there's only 3 ways for you to grow your business, right? Just 3, you know that? Increase the number of sales, increase the amount of money that you make per sale, and increase the number of times people come back and buy from you. Okay, so that's called scaling. We're going to scale the business beyond you if you want to. I'm going to show you how to do it. But the VIP buyer system is a great part of it. Okay, now you can't say, don't say that the buyers aren't into this, that they don't like it, that they don't go for you making more money. It's not true. Cost is only a factor in the absence of value. And you can't say that. Remember, I'm a real person. I sold houses here, over 8,000 real estate transactions, and the buyers liked me. They loved me so much so they sent me more business, came back around again, 5-star reviews and referrals and all kinds of stuff. So your buyers will advocate for you if there's something in it for them. And that's what you're going to discover, at least part of what you're going to discover at the VIP buyer system session at the Income Increase Workshop. You want to look at one more deal? Let me show you one more to get you excited about this, motivated actually to show up. I can't imagine being a real estate agent in the marketplace here and not interested in discovering how I can make more money on the same amount of work. I can't imagine not being highly motivated. I would drop everything I was doing that day. I'd be in a seat here. It's being paid for by sponsors to discover how you can do it too. Yeah, like I'd be all in. And trust me, this is a trade secret. This is why it's not something you're learning about every day at your present real estate brokerage. Let me show you one more deal. Okay, let's take a look. Chris and Jamie Turvey. All right, Chris and Jamie, young couple. And you can see in May, they made $92,000 just in that month. So in that 1 month, they made $92,000. Right now, there's not very many real estate agents in our marketplace that do over $90,000 a month in commissions. Okay, not very many at all. So good job for them. What are they doing? Like, what's going on there? Well, trust me, they're running that system. Okay, that VIP buyer system, they're running it. It's part of their business. So they're making more money on the same work that most real estate agents are putting in. All right, and you can do this. You can do this. I'm going to show you how to do it. And that's my mission, is to help real estate agents who want it make more money, sell more homes, make more money, but without giving up your personal life to do it. So let's look at their deal, or at least I shouldn't say their deal. Obviously, they're doing a lot of deals, but let's look at one of them for demonstration. Ready? Let's take a look. Okay, here we go. 95 Stonehenge, located in Beaufort, was listed for sale. Chris and Jamie sold that property. Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, you can see that. And you can see the commission that was being offered up was 3%. Somebody named Tony Curtin had that property for sale with Remax. And Chris and Jamie, the buyer's agents on it. And you can see the commission was at 3%, okay? But let's see what they actually got on the transaction. Let's go all the way down to the settlement statement, okay? You want to? Let me pull up the HUD. Here we go. that it right there? Yep. O'Kelly and Sorahan. Here's the settlement statement. Let's check it out. Listing broker, again, was Remax, and they walked away with $626.84. That's terrible. All right. Anyway, the buyer's agent, Chris and Jamie at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, implementing that system, VIP buyer system. You can see they made $8,046 plus another $2,682. Now it might look like the buyer's paying that, but they didn't. The seller paid it out of closing cost. See that right there? $7,650 in closing costs. Boom. And you can see what happened there. I like that, man. That's pretty strong. Okay. So the buyer essentially got cost reimbursed. So what does that end up being as a percentage? 4%. So they got 4% on a property that was offering 3. Pretty sweet. So here's how it works. It's a VIP buyer system. Okay. How to set, negotiate, and collect your fee when working with buyers as a buyer's agent. How to over deliver by 10 times the value as the average real estate agent. I'm going to show you that. Okay. And how to earn 3.5% to 4% on every single buyer transaction. And it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. I'm just going to show it to you, walk you through it step by step, give you lots of case study and proof, and it will absolutely help you make more money on the same work that you're putting in right now. Okay, here's what you do: you show up March 5th, 10 a.m. sharp. We're going to go to 4 p.m. Don't plan on leaving early, please. That would not be good for you because you would miss out on the intricacies of these systems. Okay. All right, but this is for people like you who want to make more money and sell more homes and make more money and sell more homes and make more money without giving up your personal life to do it. And having your customers, your clients, the buyers and the sellers love you even more for over delivering on the value. Okay. So one more word for you that will help you: scale. Scale. Okay. You know what scale means? Scale means taking what you do, okay, that works really well, the best parts of what you do, and improving it beyond you. That's scale. So I'm going to show you how to scale your business, your job, into a business that works without your constant involvement at the Income Increase Workshop. Hey, thanks again. Looking forward to that. And until, when is it? Thursday? Yeah, Thursday, March 5th. Until then, go serve big. Thanks. See ya.